They got a boat dock. They got access to the lake, right? Like you got this big old lake right there, and then it's kind of like a little channel right up into this property. All right, those of you interested in the Akron market, I got a really cool one for you today. 2325 Lakeside Drive in Lakemore. This is a waterfront condo townhome kind of deal. I would consider it more of a townhome, right? When I think of a condo, I think of a high-rise building, right? This is a semi-attached structure, okay? 2 beds, 2 bath, coming to you under $200,000, totally turnkey, ready to put a tenant in there. If you want to go with a long-term tenant, $1,850 all day, every day, super easy, right? They got a nice little, nice, easy, simple layout. They got first floor laundry, multiple bathrooms. They got a boat dock. They got access to the lake, right? Like you got this big old lake right there, and then it's kind of like a little channel right up into this property. And, when we were out there, there's some vegetation and stuff, so it's kind of hard to see from the video footage. But, like, if you were to shoot out on a Google Earth or something, you'll see there's a massive lake right there, right? So you can rent this out to tenants. They get themselves a nice little pontoon boat or something like that. You're chilling, having a good time, $1,850, easy, right? And you're getting tenants that are high quality, right? This isn't like a Section 8 investment where you're fighting folks and they're just beating the holy hell out of your investment, right? We could even do some short-term leasing and things of that nature on this as well if you're trying to increase the monthly rental income, right? You want to go that route. Your costs, of course, are going to be much higher because you're essentially running multiple turnovers a month, right? Which, that's costly, but you can get your gross rent probably up to about $10K a month on that one. Anyway, you slice it. Solid investment, gonna make some money, right? If you'd like to make a bid and you're an out-of-state investor and you're not able to come into town to tour it, I want you to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to give you the complete uncensored video footage that we've been chopping up for you here, and you can see exactly what you're getting, and then just send my team an email, sales@holtonwise.com. If you want to hire your own real estate agent to represent you, that's great. That's cool. I'm all about that. Get your representation. But remember, we are not going to pay that person to work for you. The seller isn't going to pay that person to work for you. So make sure you discuss payment arrangements with that agent prior to doing that, because I'm going to guess they're not going to work for you for free. If you'd like to save the cost of getting your own real estate agent, you could just submit everything directly to us, and we will handle the entire transaction for you and the seller. If you want management after the fact, we could take care of that. We could also do insurance for you. If you want to go a la carte and do everything on your own, that's totally fine too. If you're local and you'd like to tour the property, great. Send us an email. We'll get you into the property same business day as long as you hit us up before 5 p.m. So stick around for that unedited footage now and let me know what you think.
At 2325 Lakemore, I think. Nice little quiet street. Inside is condos. I believe this bumps right up against the lake too. Oh. Hi, Matt. Nice to meet you.
They have like a private dock.
I see.
Yeah. So it's just the 8 of us right here that pay into the HOA, and so there's 8 actually spaces.
Okay.
So no one has ever said, "Oh, this is mine, that's mine."
It's all
Ever
kind of.
communicated. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I think I've got like my biggest land.
Yeah, you got this little corner.
Yeah.
Especially like
So I'm not
Royalton up there. Like, it's a good little, not far away. Like my buddy's got a trailer out in Huron. It's like an hour.
Nice little lake area.
Having something that close where you guys should have lived.
Right. It is so fun. It's not like Portage like you get by the point.
Right.
I mean, these guys are dated over here. And they have a swimming pool.
See if I can get the back of that. And then dock. Got a HOA. Deck is in good shape.
There's the AC right there.
Yep, I got the AC's newer
And then I
AC.
put in
Oh, almost walked through your screen door.
sorry.
Oh my goodness.
just go up and
Oh,
there it goes.
okay.
Go ahead. I put in a water softener here, so I'll show you. So all the appliances stay. So this kind of like there's a water tank here.
Oh, okay.
And then this is just the water softener. Right?
Everything looks like it's like newer too, so.
It is, yeah. Alright, so go on the front porch, so go down there.
Yeah, it should be. Oh, this is just a closet.
Yeah.
And 2 bedroom?
Yeah.
It'll just be a couple minutes.
Yeah, does anyone maybe put a laptop?
I can't, I gotta, yeah.
So I have it extra key. Okay.
Got a water softener. Hot water tank back here. Nice big green one. Oh, stop scrolling down. Date on it. Label. She said all the appliances stay, so I imagine that means the washer and dryer. No, I just need a half bath in here on the first floor. Oh. It's just a closet. Big, nice big living room. Carpet looks really good. Fresh carpet. Just the main bathroom. Really good shape. I guess this is a smaller bedroom. Oh, look at that view. Look at that view of the lake. That's cool. I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, but you can see that whole lake. This would be the master bedroom. See what looks like a closet back there, but I'm gonna go in because it might be another half bath. Nope, just a closet. Another nice, big closet. I don't see a breaker box though. Maybe I walked past it.
We'll have to do here, but like I said, we'll talk to Steve.
It is perfect. Nice garage. Yeah, as soon as I didn't see it by the furnace in that little closet, I was like, oh, you know, it's a side by side. I bet it's in the garage. Ooh, nice, everything's labeled. And these got new ones on it too with the fall.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.